Hi guys, welcome back to RAFTHELSA's a cappella singing. So I would like to sing another song for you entitled If We Hold On Together. So I am going to sing this. A special thanks to all of you, my viewers and my dear subscribers, for supporting my channel, especially for my daily premiere. So I set up my videos as a premiere 1 p.m. Germany time, and that is Philippine time 7 o'clock, or you can check what is the time difference between Europe and your country, okay, so that you can attend my premiere every day at 1 o'clock. So this is a good thing. If you give a comment, I can answer you back through live chat. Okay, so I hope you like this song, If We Hold On Together. And if you like this, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and if you want to support my channel, just click the super thanks down below, and your support is highly appreciated in order to improve my channel. And I would like to thank to those who are always present every day with my premiere. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Without you, I will not be here continuing to create a new content every day, and this is for you guys, okay? So sing with me together, okay? Just consider I'm not a singer, but I'll just try. Don't lose your way with each passing day. You've come so far, don't throw it away. Living, dreams are for weaving, wonders are waiting to start. Live your story with hope and glory. Hold to the truth in your heart. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see as true to forever, where clouds roll by. For you and I, souls in the wind, must learn how to bend. Seek out a start, hold on to the end. Valley, mountain, there is a fountain, washes our thirst all away. Words are swaying, someone is praying, please let us come home to stay. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see as true to forever, where clouds roll by. For you and I, we are rather in the dark. We'll dream about the sun. In the dark, we'll feel the light warm our hearts. Everyone, if we hold on together. I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever, as high as souls can fly. The clouds roll by for you and I. Thank you for watching and listening. So I hope you like this song. So please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. And if you want to support my channel, just click the super thanks down below. And if you are new to RAFTHELSA Vlogs, just subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. And if you want to learn different projects like DIY projects, just check out my playlist and you can find all my DIY projects and my travel blogs. And also I'd like to tell you that I have my second channel, which is a cooking channel, Letenia's Kitchenette, and you can find my simple recipe but yummy, and it is a healthy food that I am cooking every day, especially recommended for the diabetic and high blood person like me. Okay guys, thank you and maraming salamat. Terima kasih, bot-bot syukriya, grazie, gracias, daghang salamat, Everesto Puli, bot-bot syukriya, syukran jasilan, come on, and bidang. So, I will see you again in my next premiere. And to all of you who are watching this premiere, thank you so much. And God bless everyone. Keep safe always. Bye-bye.